feeling the effects of winter setting in? Time to get your boiler replaced, but still trying to save enough money to do it? Nobody likes massive bills that they have to pay up front. Well, now you don't have to. Now you can avail of finance for your boiler replacement and installation thanks to SSE Airtricity and Flexi Fi. With SSE Airtricity's finance offering brought to you by Flexi Fi, you simply apply for finance online and get approved in minutes. It couldn't be easier. Apply now and see how you could get finance in minutes for your boiler replacement and installation. Visit sseairtricity.com/finance. With SSE Airtricity's finance offering brought to you by Flexi Fi, your new boiler will be installed and you won't have to worry about a massive bill. And you can enjoy winter from your cosy home all over again. Because let's be honest, in Ireland, it can last a while.